Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial on how to change the source or the input on your Y series LED. And with the onboard Android, it's really simple. So looking at my LED here, you can see I'm on the home screen, and in the preview, I'm showing a signal preview from HDMI 2, which is displaying my PC. Now, to change the input preview, I can select the drop down here and choose one of the other options. And in order to change the input source over to my computer, all I do is simply tap the preview at the top. And as you can see, my computer screen is now displayed on the interactive LED. In order to get back to my Android operating system, I simply swipe up and I hit the home key at the end of the toolbar there, and it brings me straight back to my Android operating system. I can also change the source with the remote control, or I can use the front control buttons here, but it's easiest, most convenient to use the onboard Android. Simply swipe up to access that toolbar and tap the preview to change the input source. Thanks for watching.